youthofgsb audience aga namaskaru. Entrepreneurship Conclave 2023. This is the buzzword moving around everywhere, not only in India but even among the community members outside. The reason, one of the important institutions which have promoted this entrepreneurship conclave is Saraswat Chambers. Ani Saraswat Chambers haje founder director Saraswat Chambers madal idea ilale conceptualize kelalo Siddharth Sinkar sir amgelotta sir. He is the founder director of Saraswat Chambers. Sir, Saraswat Chambers madal idea tum kasala आयला tad nimgi ती कसं चेंजेस करचा तुम्ही प्लॅन करता ती and how it is unfolding itself.
Okay. I'm based in Mumbai. I'm working as I'm a practicing chartered accountant for last 23 years. So in Mumbai we have elitist chamber of commerce for networking, and while doing various connections in one of the event I attended was by Maratha Chamber of Commerce.
Okay.
And Maratha Chamber of Commerce is doing lot of work for Maratha community,
Yes.
which is a Maharashtra-based community. So then I always connected with another few chambers of commerce, like Dalit Chamber of Commerce,
Okay.
Christian Chamber of Commerce. Then I was looking why there is no GSB Chamber of Commerce. I am a GSB. Ramnathi Kamakshi Santeri is my Kuladevat from Goa. And when I connected, I was told that there is no such GSB Chamber of Commerce. Then I connected to a few stalwarts from Mumbai, because I am based in Mumbai, and I could know, frankly, till the time 2017-18, I had not done anything on this front.
Okay.
But I was looking mainly from a networking perspective as to why there should be. So many people told that this is a very good idea, but somebody has to take charge.
Yes.
Okay, because any idea is not good unless it is implemented.
Exactly.
So I thought that this is a good opportunity for us to unite the Saraswats. Then while discussing this idea, I deliberately said that let us not make only GSB Chamber of Commerce. Okay, so then let us make, because there are Chitrapur Saraswats, there are Rajapur Saraswats, they all have similar things.
Correct.
Like it. So rather than making only GSB Chamber of Commerce, we made it made our horizon little global.
Okay.
And then I was working on this idea for about couple of years, since 2017 to 2019.
Okay.
And 2019 we established this as a non-profit organization. And our main focus is to provide a platform for all community entrepreneurs who can connect with each other, and thereby they can network and they can grow together as a community.
Yes.
So this we started as a global chamber of Saraswat entrepreneurs, and what we believed is we are all based in various cities.
Yes.
Now when I come to Goa or even to Mangalore, majority of the people from Mangalore or Goa know each other.
Yes.
But that's not the case with Mumbai or even maybe even Bangalore. Okay. So we hardly know 10% of the people from our community. Okay. And so what we thought is, let us create a digital platform rather than having a physical platform, wherein people from US should connect to people from Mumbai or Bengaluru.
Yes.
Suppose I am traveling to Bangalore, and if I need, what I will do is I will need travel agents details. So if I have my own community network, I should be able to give business to my own, because we always feel that Saraswat community is nothing but they are all our extended family members.
Exactly. Yes.
So it is like giving business to your own brother or sister.
Yes. Yes.
So because I have seen in there is a forum called JITO, Jain International Trade Organization. It's a very big forum.
Well.
Yeah, the Jains community has been doing this for last 5 decades.
Yes.
Okay. So I have seen Jains supporting each other like anything.
Yes.
So I have seen, because as a chartered accountant I have done few audits of Jain, because they give business only to their thing.
Yes.
But over there also I have seen that all their vendors and suppliers, they are all Jains.
Yes.
Do we have this kind of thing in our community? No. But at least we can start make an attempt so that we get all people together.
Correct.
And so see, it's not that today I meet you, immediately I want to give you business.
Yes.
But once I start meeting you, I will certainly do that. Think of doing on those lines. Again, I am based in Mumbai. We speak majority times Marathi at home only. So when we go to each other relatives or community members, what we talk about fish and the cuisines. But at the same time, I feel that we should also talk about the business.
Yes.
So, do you have any issues with the business? Do you need any help?
Yes.
This we never discuss.
Correct.
We are discussing everything other than business.
Yes.
We have various forums. We have mutts.
Yes.
4 mutts.
Correct.
popular mutts they are in Saraswat community. We have many cultural organizations. There are many trusts who provide educational help.
Yes.
There are trusts or who provide medical help.
Yes.
But then there is no organization which is going to support entrepreneurs.
True.
Okay, so and a small entrepreneur who may be based in a small town village, in say majority because of us are basically based in the coastal region of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala. So being in Mumbai or maybe in Bangalore, we have a lot of options available. Okay, but if you go to the city interiors of the say Honnavar district or even in Ratnagiri district, the opportunities are very less and they have very less access to the knowledge base also.
Connect is
So
there.
our aim is also to reach out there. It's not that we need to support to the people of Mumbai or Bangalore.
Yes.
We are trying our efforts best. We are taking our best efforts to reach out to these cities also. Even for the scale-up contest, we reached out to the people from Kudal. Kudal is a district town of Sindhudurga district. We went to Ratnagiri, we went to Nasik interior, and we made all efforts. Even Goa, we went to Sankalim and some other places where we demonstrated that you have to come and participate in this.
Correct.
If not in this conclave, they will certainly come in next conclave. So our idea is to support entrepreneurship, and as it was discussed in this conference, see, we have to think from the become a jobs provider, not a job seeker. And see, everybody needs some kind of a support. So that support somebody should provide, and as a Saraswat Chamber, we will take all our efforts to give that support
is there,
to the cinema. So that is the main concept behind the Saraswat Chamber. And today I can proudly say that if person from Mumbai needs anything in Bangalore or say even Hubballi, Belgaum, we have members who will at least tell them that where he can find out
these are the people you can
these are the
connect
people. Because I remember Pradeep Pai sir, he calling me, he wanted to launch Hangyu ice cream in Mumbai about 3 years back, just before the COVID. I connected him to a guy called Avdut Rege from Mumbai, who's an event manager. He immediately called him and asked, Avdut, you're doing this event. Okay.
Just on your recommendation.
Just on my recommendation. And this has happened, this has done miracles for many people, frankly. Okay, so people are also willing to go out of the way and asking if there is somebody from the community with whom I can do this. If there is nobody from the community, they will search. It is like that. We have our own brothers providing same services, same products. So we just recommend that can you give opportunity to our own brothers? Okay, so this is the basically thinking behind. Suppose you have 2 apples and you have to choose. I request that you select a Saraswat apple. The way Jains Marwadis are doing, there is nothing.
And there is nothing wrong in this.
Absolutely. I don't request to choose banana or apple. It has to be apple to apple.
Whatever you want, first priority should be Saraswat.
Priority has to be, if you are not satisfied, and we are not compelling you to do a business with Saraswat only. But we are just facilitating. Because we are providing a platform. Okay. So that's the idea.
So Saraswat Chambers, Saran Sangil Manke, Amgele community into tectonic shift hadta sir. They are making sure that the best practices of other communities are imbibed, are inculcated in our community, and our community grows together. So taking this discussion forward, amgel audience tumgele विषय ऐकल कुडले मक्वर के Saraswat Chamber member जाऊ का हावर के हंतु एक रीती मिगेले contribution कोरका म्हणून तांका दिसलरी. How can they connect with you? What is that one foot in the door that they can make?
See, first of all, Saraswat Chamber membership we have kept very less so that a person who's a small town entrepreneur should be able to afford it.
It's a very small fee.
It's a very small fee. We have a fee of only 4,500 plus GST for 3-year membership. You go to any Chamber of Commerce, annual membership fee is not less than 10,000 rupees. Okay. Here we don't want to earn, but we want to just cover the basic cost of it. Fortunately, few big companies like Saraswat Bank, they're supporting us. But for becoming a member of the Saraswat Chamber, you need to connect to Mr. Sanjay Kini. Sanjay Kini is our office administrator. I will mention his mobile number. So if anybody wants to become a member of Saraswat Chamber, he can contact Mr. Sanjay Kini on 99303 50236.
We'll put that number on the display for you.
It is 99303 50236. Sanjay Kini, Administrator, Saraswat Chamber. Anybody can call Mr. Sanjay Kini anytime during the day, even on Sundays. He will be very happy to talk to you in your own language. Again, maybe I cannot talk in very fluently in the Konkanese. That's why I'm just trying to speak in English. But Sanjay Kini can certainly talk. He will make you feel like comfortable at home, and he will help the membership process to get close. Thank you.
त्यांनी सारस्वत चेंबर्साचे आयडिया सांगताना मस्त एक इम्पॉर्टंट विषय सांगितला कसं म्हणल्यार आमी घरांत वट्ट मेळ्ळल तेन्ना फुडा ಬಗ್ಗೆ उलयता ती विंगविंगड विशय उलयता ती जाल्यार बिझनेसा ಬಗ್ಗೆ उलयना ती म्हणून ऑन्टरप्रिनरशिप कॉन्क्लेव 2023 हाजी इम्पॅक्ट खंयचे नमुने आशिल्ले म्हळ्यार काली हांगा फूड खाताना त्यांनी बिझनेसा ಬಗ್ಗೆ उलयता आशिल्ली even while having food they were discussing ideas. They were discussing path breaking disruptions that are happening. What is the next round of disruptions that will take place, and where do we look at from a business perspective? So tumgel prakar, what is the impact that Entrepreneurship Conclave 2000, it has had a massive impact, no doubt about it, but anything that you have taken back from this Entrepreneurship Conclave 2023, this is the impact it has created.
Certainly today what I feel is, since the main attraction for this Entrepreneurship Conclave was scale up contest.
Yes.
Okay, so first of all there is a certain level of news which is spread among the community that if there is a good idea, there is a forum within our community where they can come and present this idea. Okay, because we have rewarded today 4 people, entrepreneurs, with 5 lakh. I know this is just a grant, this is not, but today today about 25 entrepreneurs, rather during last 3 days, they presented their ideas, and they could present ideas to a forum of about 500 entrepreneurs.
Yes.
Out of which maybe another 50 they are having businesses of more than 100 crores.
Correct.
Okay, so this kind of a platform is something is there in our community.
Yes.
This is very important.
Yes.
Okay, today people are going to various platforms, pitching them, then there are people who have made business of this.
Correct.
Making a pitch decks, etc. etc. But here it is like you coming to your home, you are presenting it before your own brothers, sisters, and this we would like to take it to a next level. Okay, because yesterday Ullas Kamath sir, who is the chief convener of this event, he announced that he is going to make a fund, and that will fund to all our community members, give fund. Of course, it will be based on merit. It's not that today I apply and
they
I
have to prove themselves.
Yeah, one has to. Because last time also mentioned that you have to select apple over apple only. You cannot select banana over apple.
And financial resources that we have are also limited. So we have
Exactly.
to use it for the right opportunity.
Exactly. I would like to mention one small thing, which see, Saraswat Bank, who has been main supporter of Saraswat Chamber. Saraswat Bank, I take this opportunity. Please listen carefully. Saraswat Bank has given us a mandate that if there is any first generation entrepreneur who is looking to start his business, and if he needs a loan, it will be given at 7.5% to the members of Saraswat Chamber. Because a first generation entrepreneur doesn't get loan at a value which is less than 11-12%, I can tell you, because the risk associated with first generation entrepreneur is very high for the banker, because he has not proved anything.
Correct.
But we had a conclave last year. Saraswat Chamber organized a conclave last year in Goa, where Saraswat Bank chairman, he declared in front of about 400 participants who had come all across India in Goa last September 2022, that if you have a first generation entrepreneur, please ask him to submit his working plans to us. We will assess it on merit, and if they will do, of course, there are all the bankers checks which are required, and then if he is eligible to get the loan will be given at 7.5%. Please understand, Saraswat Bank is ready to make a sacrifice about 4.5% for a first generation entrepreneur.
Yes, that's a huge.
Okay, so this is under a LEAP scheme. So I request anybody who is young person, first generation entrepreneur, you can get loan up to 10 crores, again based on merit, from Saraswat Bank if you are a member of Saraswat Chamber.
Yes, so तुम्ही त्यांनी सांगितलं ऐकूका कसं तांतू तुमका मेसेज कसं नाही म्हणारी आईचे दिवसू कल्चर रेडी जाता आसा, इकोसिस्टम रेडी जाता आसा, वेर फर्स्ट जनरेशन ऑन्टरप्रिनराक बँक लोन दिना, लेट अलोन 11% 12%, बँक लोन रिजेक्ट करता ती तसल्या केसान तू सारस्वत बँक आमकां 10 crores ताई लोन इफ युअर बिजनेस इज गुड, इफ दॅट आयडिया इज टू गुड, and they are ready to sacrifice the profits that they will make. So that's a huge statement out there from Saraswat Bank. So thanks to them. Moving forward, amgela audience, most of our audience is youth who is watching this video with so much of hopes, so much of positivity. If there is one message that you want to give to our youngsters, what would that be?
a message to the youngster is you have to believe in yourself. You have to be patient, and you should always think of creating value in whatever activities you do.
Yes.
Don't copy somebody. If somebody is doing some business and earning huge money out of it, don't copy just like that. First, you have to see whether you will have passion to pursue that business.
Yes.
Whether you can add a value in that business, because copying something will never ever get you reach any bigger goals, frankly. Okay, so have patience, have confidence in your own abilities, and take risk in your life. Without risk, if you want to enjoy all Friday nights, Saturday nights, Sunday nights, then business is not the place. And frankly, there is no enjoyment unless you have got even for enjoying things. You should have gone through some struggles. Otherwise, even enjoyment will go waste. You will not be able to. You will be able to go to very good places, but you will not be able to enjoy. But if you have achieved something through your hard work, then you can enjoy even a small cup of tea which you are going to have in your own office. So again, I tell you, hard work, patience, belief in yourself, and taking the risk is the way to entrepreneurship. And I urge all the youth that please, see, because all our Saraswat community people, they are very much talented people. Okay, we have, because I'll share you one small story. I have met Mr. Anand Pejawar, who is a Chitrapur Saraswat, who is presently Joint Managing Director of SBI General. He always tells me, Siddharth, in Saraswat, we make money for our employers. We don't make money for ourselves. Okay, we want to change this statement, frankly. We want all Saraswats to make money for themselves. Okay, so be patient. Try to think of the areas where you can add a value and then pursue it.
Yes.
Okay, so this is what is my message to all the young entrepreneurs.
मस्त त्यांनी ॲप्ट स्टेटमेंट दिलं आहे. आम्ही मॅनेजिरियल लेवल ते पुरा पोझिशन आम्ही ऑक्युपाय केला. आम्ही त्या ऑक्युपाय करून विंगडा कोणाकी दुड्ड करच्याक इट इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट मेकिंग मनी फॉर समवन एल्स, बट यू आर हेल्पिंग बिल्ड समवन एल्स's ड्रीम. When you have an ecosystem like this, when you have community institutions like this, why not build your own dream? That is the takeaway of this interaction. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us this time. Entrepreneurship Conclave 2023 has occupied your time for the last month at least. Even amongst such a huge or packed schedule, you have come here, you have interacted with us just for our audience. So thank you so much once again for doing this.
Thank you, Ramachandra. Thank you.
So much.